Hello and welcome to Maker Hanger. My name's Lucas Weekly and today we're going to be talking about servos. We'll take a look at how they work, how they're classified, and how to hook them up to the control surfaces on your plane. So let's get started. So servos are made up of small brushed motors, a potentiometer, and a couple of gears. The potentiometer regulates the movement of the motor and allows the servo to move exact amount of degrees. A servo can move 180 degrees mechanically, but under its own power it can only move 90 degrees. If you take out the pot and replace it with a fixed resistor, then you have a continuously rotating servo. There are two main types of servos, analog and digital. They're both the same with all the physical parts, the potentiometer, the gearing, and the brushed motor, except for the digital servos have a microprocessor that takes in the input from the receiver. This allows them to be more accurate and faster. Because of this, they do take up more power, however, it's not going to be very significant in the plane we're going to be building. The next set of classifications is if a servo is either metal or nylon geared. Yep, you guessed it, this just means the gears inside of the motor are either metal or nylon, and obviously metal gear servos are much stronger and they don't strip as easily. The next classification is weight. And 9-gram servos are the most common because they're used in foam airplanes. There are also several other types of servos that are categorized by weight and size. 9 grams are considered micro servos. There are also sub-micro and standard size servos. There are a couple other types, but you'll probably only deal with micro servos when building foam planes. Then, voltage is a factor. Most servos run off of 3 to 5 volts, but some high voltage servos run off of 7.4 or a 2S LiPo pack.